Okay, I would show you how to sort your data based on a custom sort order. So sometimes you have a list of values that you want to sort your data based on. For example, here these are list of workers, and then this is how you want any table, anything that have like your salesperson, you want it to be sorted according to this list. But if you come here and say you want to sort A to Z, it will not look like this. Or if you change it to Z to A, it also will not look like this. So how can you sort this list so that it looks this way? So come here, go to data, then click on sort option. So select the column. This time around, that is actually column F. Okay, we need to click into this data first. So sort option, then okay, salesperson, sell value. So we don't want A to Z, we don't want Z to A. We are going to choose custom list. The only issue here is that our custom list is not, our list is not here, so we need to add it first. So you click on add, you click on add. You cannot select those things, you cannot highlight, so you have to type manually. So let's just close things up so that we'll be seeing our list very well. Okay, so add now, then I'll type in my values. The first one is John. You separate everything by comma. Okay, so that is that. Then when I click on add now, it has added this list. I'm just going to click on OK. So it has now selected it. Okay, and I'll click on OK, and then when you come back here, this table has now been sorted based on this.